Hi cake fan, I am Nata from Nata's Cake Studio, and it's my pleasure to accompany you through your baking journey. In this course, I will teach you everything I have learned through the years about baking beautiful and elegant buttercream cakes. This course is structured in 6 modules. In the first one, we will make the vanilla and chocolate cake. In the second, we will make delicious fillings. In the third, I will teach you my perfect buttercream. In the fourth, we will level and stack our cakes. And in the fifth and last module, I will teach you how to create 2 different buttercream and flowers designs to decorate your cakes. Welcome to the Cake Course, Discovering Cake Design.